The Anatomy of a New Roof, a comprehensive breakdown series. Most homeowners don't think about all the components that make up the roof of their home, but there's a lot going on underneath your shingles. The shingles are the outermost layer of your roof, and they help protect you from the sun's rays, rain, snow, and wind. Digging deeper, there's another layer of protection between the roof deck and the shingles, underlayment, which plays a vital role in helping protect your home from moisture damage. This layer of your roof system is typically made of asphalt-saturated felt or modern synthetic materials. It covers your entire roof deck, acting as a secondary moisture barrier between the roof deck and the overlying shingles or other roof covering, to help prevent wind-driven rain from infiltrating your home through the roof. In other words, it helps keep your home dry. It's just one of many layers of materials that make up your roofing system, and all of them have to be installed properly for your roof to provide the best protection against the elements. Roof underlayment is usually made of either asphalt-saturated felt or synthetic materials. In either case, it provides a secondary water-shedding layer of protection that helps keep water during a rain event from infiltrating your home.
TC Backer, TC Backer.